Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto pairing. So Bugsvik and FM. Okay, let's see how this goes. Is he going to move? Bugsvik? Oh, it's a time odds game at this rate. And he's not moving. Okay. Oh, why? Oh, he is moving. Okay, so sitting in the fence. It's like a minute time advantage. Let's play a knight off. I'll try and put that e5, try and discourage it. Okay, now maybe e5 here. Hopefully I'll get a bit of pressure on e4. Maybe a quick d5 if I can get it in. Alright, at least this gives me d-file to bishop's not so trapped in. Okay, so that e4. Can I do this? Just to try and expand the pieces. I mean, bishop d6 after I got nice dark squares. And rook e8. I think my pieces are coming to life. Whoa! He doesn't want to play that, does he? Wow! Can this be exposed? Maybe just going for... Oh, I can't believe that. Maybe just bishop g3, h5 or just g6. There must be a way of exposing this. Think. I can't believe this. What about just h5 for a moment? For knight g4. Knight g4 and then just take this guy out. Or... Okay, so if h4 here, what about that h2 pawn? I've maintained my tower handicap minute odds he's given me. This knight coming to e5 could be good. If knight e7 to e5, I'll play bishop g3 to block the g file. Or knight a7 to g5, that'll be on e4 again. Let me stop that. He's got bishop c4 all the time. What would I want to do here? It's a nice blockade. I'm going to get my king off this diagonal. And I can't really play for any pawn break at the moment. Maybe it's my knight which is key to this. Or if I put my king over here and then put my knight somewhere else, because this could be dangerous over here. Okay, is he really gonna... If I put my king over here, protect a6, that frees the bishop. It's a bit radical long term, but it's a quick plan. Could also gain a bit more time on the clock. If he's not actually doing anything, I don't need to be in a rush for a pawn break. He could be sacrificing the exchange, I guess. It looks as though he's going to play rook g3. Oh, what was wrong with bishop e4 there? Muppets. Bishop e4 here. Oh, hang on. No, he's on a6. Okay, I will protect a6. Alright, that frees my knight. Ah, okay, there's knight g5 here. I've still got the option of bishop f4. Can I play bishop f4 after? Oh, he's resigned here. Yeah, he's just losing that knight. This is pretty bad, actually. I think this king walk was quite interesting, just to free the bishop. Yeah, -7. Okay, let's have a look at this exchange sec. It turned out to be an interesting game, I think. So already black should be okay here, apparently. Queen takes. Oh, I really like the way I played it. Does the engine not like that? Rook d4 doesn't mention it. It seems to extend my pieces a lot. My pieces are getting to be fantastic. Okay. Okay, apparently bishop g3 was equal. Let's not get into that. No, I'm actually better with bishop f4. So maybe h4 was actually a good move. h4 is mentioned here by the engine. Yeah, this looked good, so I didn't really need to. I don't think I need to rush here. Maybe this is okay while I play. Just keep getting the king over here. I could have taken here. Hang on, this was a moment to take on e4 apparently. But yeah, this frees my bishop. So black is just better. And then there's that howler, knight g5. Okay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that one. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.